Hello friend, welcome to 5 Best Tools Review. On this video we are reviewing the top 5 best astronomical telescope. We made the list based on around opinion research and customer reviews, and all those product are top selling product on AliExpress. An astronomical telescope is a powerful optical instrument designed to observe celestial objects such as stars, planets, galaxies, and other astronomical phenomena. These telescopes collect and magnify light from distant sources, allowing astronomers and enthusiasts to study the universe in remarkable detail. With advancements in technology, modern telescopes offer enhanced clarity, greater magnification, and the ability to capture stunning images of the cosmos. Whether for professional research or amateur stargazing, astronomical telescopes open up the wonders of the night sky, bringing the mysteries of space closer to our eyes. Number 5. Borwolf F70076 Astronomical Telescope. The Borwolf F70076 Astronomical Telescope is a solid option for amateur astronomers looking to explore the night sky with clarity and precision. With its impressive specifications and sturdy build, this telescope offers great value for both beginners and more seasoned stargazers. One of the standout features of this telescope is its lens material, which ensures clear and crisp views of celestial objects. Whether you're observing distant galaxies or the intricate details of the lunar surface, the lens material delivers exceptional image quality with minimal chromatic aberration. With a magnification of 875x and a focal length of 700 mm, this telescope allows for detailed exploration of celestial bodies. From the rings of Saturn to the moons of Jupiter, you can delve deep into the wonders of the universe with ease. The objective lens diameter of 114 mm provides ample light gathering capability, allowing for bright and vivid views of celestial objects, even in low light conditions. Number 4. Borwolf F36050 Astronomical Telescope. As an amateur astronomer with a passion for exploring the wonders of the night sky, I recently acquired the Borwolf F36050 Astronomical Telescope to embark on my celestial journey. After spending countless nights under the stars with this telescope, I am thrilled to share my experience and provide a comprehensive review for fellow stargazers. First and foremost, let's talk about the optics. The F36050 boasts a 50mm objective lens diameter and a focal length of 360 mm, offering crisp and clear views of celestial objects. Whether observing the moon's craters in intricate detail or gazing at distant planets, the apochromatic lens delivers exceptional clarity and sharpness, making every stargazing session a mesmerizing experience. One of the standout features of the Borwolf F36050 is its versatility. With a magnification of 90x, this telescope allows for both wide-field viewing and detailed observations of celestial phenomena. Whether you're a beginner eager to explore the basics of astronomy or a seasoned astronomer looking to delve deeper into the cosmos, this telescope adapts effortlessly to various observing needs. Number 3. TICALA 30070 mH Astronomical Telescope. The TICALA 30070 mH Astronomical Telescope has recently become a part of my stargazing arsenal, and I am excited to share my detailed review of this impressive instrument. Whether you're a beginner looking to delve into astronomy or an experienced observer seeking a versatile and portable telescope, the TICALA 30070 mH offers a range of features that cater to various observing needs. Firstly, the optics of the TICALA 30070 mH are commendable. With a 70mm objective lens diameter and a focal length of 300 mm, this telescope provides clear and bright views of celestial objects. The fully coated lens enhances image clarity and reduces glare, making it ideal for observing the moon, planets, and some deep sky objects. The included eyepieces, 20mm, 12mm, and 6mm, and the variable magnification range of 15x to 150x, offer flexibility for both wide field and detailed observations. One of the standout features of this telescope is its build quality. Constructed from durable metal, the TICALA 30070 mH feels robust and reliable, ensuring long-lasting performance. Despite its sturdy construction, it remains relatively lightweight at 1.7 to 2 kg, making it easy to transport and set up at different observing locations. The TICALA 30070 mH also includes a variety of accessories. Number 2. SVBONY SV501P Astronomical Telescope. The SVBONY SV501P Astronomical Telescope is a stellar instrument that promises to elevate your stargazing experience to new heights. As an enthusiast of the cosmos, I've had the pleasure of exploring the night sky with this telescope, and I'm excited to share my review with fellow amateur astronomers. Let's start with the optics. The SV501P features a 70mm objective lens diameter and a focal length of either 420mm or 400mm, depending on the model, resulting in a fast focal ratio of f6 or f5.7 respectively. This refractive optical system delivers crisp, high-contrast views of celestial objects, from the moon's craters to distant galaxies. The MC-coated lenses ensure minimal light loss and glare, providing immersive and detailed observations of the cosmos. The versatility of the SV501P is a standout feature. Whether you're observing terrestrial landscapes or exploring deep sky wonders, this telescope adapts effortlessly to various observing scenarios. With magnifications ranging from 20x to 21x, courtesy of the included 1.25-inch K20mm eyepiece, you can easily switch between wide field views and detailed observations, making it perfect for both beginners and seasoned astronomers alike. Number 1. Bossdun 333x Astronomical Telescope. The Bossdun 333x Astronomical Telescope is a powerful and versatile instrument designed to ignite your passion for stargazing and exploration. Having spent countless nights under the stars with this telescope, I am thrilled to share my review and insights into its performance and capabilities. Let's begin with the optics. The Bossdun 333x features a 70mm objective lens diameter and a focal length of 700mm, providing excellent light-gathering ability and resolution for observing celestial objects. The multi-layer coating on the lenses enhances contrast and reduces glare, ensuring clear and sharp views of the night sky. With a magnification range from 20x to an impressive 333x, this telescope offers unparalleled versatility, allowing you to explore everything from the moon's surface details to distant galaxies. The build quality of the Bossdun 333x is exceptional. Constructed from durable metal materials, this telescope feels sturdy and reliable, capable of withstanding the demands of outdoor use. Despite its robust construction, it remains relatively lightweight at 2.2 kilograms, making it portable and easy to set up for stargazing sessions in various locations. The monocular design and 45-degree zenith mirror provide comfortable viewing angles, while the included 5x42 finder scope aids in precise object location. Thank you guys for watching this video. Check the description box and click for all the information about those products. Please subscribe my channel for more update.